Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Englicia. In this lesson, we're going to teach you 50 of the most common, essential verbs you need for daily English conversation. We'll show you how to use them in a sentence, too. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started.
Be.
I am a student. I am a student. They were very tired. They were very tired.
Have.
I have a bike. I have a bike. We have fun every day. We have fun every day.
Do.
I do my homework after school. I do my homework after school. She does her best every time. She does her best every time.
Say.
He says good morning to his teacher. He says good morning to his teacher.
Get.
She gets a gift every birthday. She gets a gift every birthday. We get cold in the winter. We get cold in the winter. I need to get a ticket. I need to get a ticket. I get it now. I get it now.
Make.
I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. That movie makes me laugh. That movie makes me laugh.
Go.
I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus.
No.
I know the answer. I know the answer.
Take.
Please take this bag. Please take this bag. I take medicine every morning. I take medicine every morning. I take your offer. I take your offer.
See.
I see the stars at night. I see the stars at night.
Come.
Please come here. Please come here.
Think.
I think about my future often. I think about my future often.
Look.
Look at the board. Look at the board.
Want.
I want a new phone. I want a new phone.
Give.
I give my friend a gift. I give my friend a gift.
Use.
I use a computer every day. I use a computer every day.
Find.
I find the perfect dress. I find the perfect dress. I find this story interesting. I find this story interesting.
Tell.
Please tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth.
Ask.
I ask my teacher a question. I ask my teacher a question.
Work.
I work in an office. I work in an office.
Seem.
You seem very happy today. You seem very happy today.
Feel.
I feel tired today. I feel tired today.
Try.
I try to learn new words. I try to learn new words.
Leave.
I leave home at 7. I leave home at 7.
Call.
I call my parents every Sunday. I call my parents every Sunday.
Put.
Please put your bag on the table. Please put your bag on the table.
Keep.
I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean.
Let.
I let my friend borrow my book. I let my friend borrow my book.
Begin. Begin.
I begin my work at 9. I begin my work at 9.
Help. Help.
I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen.
Show. Show.
I show my project to the class. I show my project to the class.
Hear. Hear.
I hear music from next door. I hear music from next door.
Play. Play.
I play football on weekends. I play football on weekends.
Run. Run.
I run every morning. I run every morning.
Move. Move.
I move the chair to the corner. I move the chair to the corner.
Like. Like.
I like chocolate ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream.
Live. Live.
I live in Canada. I live in Canada.
Believe. Believe.
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
Hold. Hold.
I hold my baby gently. I hold my baby gently.
Bring. Bring.
Please bring your book. Please bring your book.
Happen. Happen.
Good things happen when you work hard. Good things happen when you work hard.
Write. Write.
I write in my diary every night. I write in my diary every night.
Provide. Provide.
The school provides free lunch. The school provides free lunch.
Sit. Sit.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Stand. Stand.
I stand when the teacher enters. I stand when the teacher enters.
Lose. Lose.
I lose my keys sometimes. I lose my keys sometimes.
Pay. Pay.
I pay the bills on time. I pay the bills on time.
Meet. Meet.
I meet new people every day. I meet new people every day.
Include. Include.
My hobbies include reading and music. My hobbies include reading and music.
Continue. Continue.
I continue my studies abroad. I continue my studies abroad.
Great job, everyone! Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more lessons.